Hello, my dear students of grade 9 elite. Today I will teach you in this video, I will teach you how to solve question number 22, which will be on paper based exam. Okay, it is EOT3 end of term 3 exam and part 3. Okay, you can watch my video for question number 21 as well, which will be on paper based test. So now I'll do question number 22. Question number 22 will be based on drawing the graph when these things are given to you. Let us go with the first question. So first thing you will see what is given to you. X-intercept is at 2 and 0. So you will see a point. X-intercept is 2 and 0. This is my point 2 and 0. Y-intercept is at 0 and negative 6. So 0, x is 0 on this line, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6. This is my y-intercept. It is 0 and negative 6. So show the points clearly on your graph. After that, I want this graph to be a straight line. Linear means it will be in a form of line. Linear graph is always a straight line. So you can join these points. If you should carry your scale with you so that you'll be able to draw a line properly. So I can draw a line like I have drawn it. You can see. So now you can dark it. Try to make your dark line so that it will be easy for you to see the things. Okay. So this is my graph of this line. So I have done first part, second part, third part. It is a continuous function. Yes, I can see it is a continuous function. There is no break. Now it is positive for all values greater than 2. Now look here. Is my graph. How do we see is it positive or negative? So you will see y is always positive when it is going up and above the x-axis. Okay, above the x-axis fx is positive because y is positive here. So yes, if I'll take x2 and more than 2, so my graph is going up. So it is positive for all x greater than 2. It is increasing. How do my this is an increasing graph. Okay, this is a decreasing graph because the values are coming down. So if your x is increasing and y is also increasing, it becomes increasing graph. You can see at x is equal to 0 it is here, at x is equal to 1 it is here, at x is equal to 2 it is going more up, at x is equal to 3 it is going more up. So it is increasing graph for all values of x. And behavior, how do we see end behavior? You will see if x is going positive infinity, x becomes positive infinity this side. Okay, so x is increasing. If x is going to positive infinity, so where is your graph going? Look here. So your y or fx, where is it going? Going up. Up means it is going to positive infinity. So fx is going to positive infinity means we do not know how much should I make my line. It is going up. But look here, if x is going to negative infinity, if x is going to negative side, this side, if you are taking more values this side, where is your y going? Is your y still going up? No, y is coming down. Here it is coming down. So fx is coming down means it is going to minus infinity, because y is going down means here it will be minus infinity for fx means y, and here fx is going positive means positive infinity. So this is the end behavior. This is our perfect graph. You can show it and you'll get good marks if you'll do it. Let us do question number 2. Again, you will see all the points carefully. X-intercept is at 0, 0. This is my x-intercept. Y-intercept is also 0, 0. So the same point is my x-intercept, y-intercept. What next thing I have to see? Linearity, line. It should be a straight line. Fourth thing I want to see, continuous means there will be no break. It will be a straight line, either up or it will be down. Let us see, will it be up or down. Positive for all values less than 0. It means if I'll go x less than 0 means it is -1, -2, -3. So my graph should be up because y is positive here. So it means if x is less than 0, my line will be up. Okay, and negative for all x less than greater than 0. If my x will be greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So my graph will be negative. Negative means it will be going down. Okay, so I have seen all these points. Decreasing for all values of x. What is my graph? My graph is decreasing, coming down, decreasing for all values of x. Yes, now let us see the end behavior. End behavior when x is going to infinity. If x is going this side, like it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is happening to the values of y? Are they going up or down? They are going more down. So here y is going to negative infinity. So here we do not say y in the function, we will say fx. So fx is going where? Is going to positive infinity or negative infinity? It is going to negative infinity. If x is going to positive infinity means right side, fx is going to down. Look here, x going to infinity means x is going to right side. So what is happening to fx or y? It is coming down means it is going to negative infinity. Okay, and if x is going negative infinity means x is going towards left. So and fx, if it is going up, so what we will say, positive infinity. Going up will become positive infinity for y. So now look here, if x is going to negative infinity, so where is the value of y going? If I'll take -1 going up, if I'll take -2 going more up, if I'll take -3, so it is going to positive infinity. So if x is going to negative infinity, fx means value of y is going to positive infinity. So this is the end behavior of this graph which I have drawn. Next, I'll do one question from here. These are linear, you can draw again. So better I will do one question with the non-linear. Let us do non-linear graph. Okay, so I'll bring a non-linear graph here. So I'll bring this question and I will put third and fourth. You can try, my dear children, you can try yourself. Let us do question number 5 because it is not a linear graph. So let us go and see. Question number 5. X-intercept is -1 and 0. -1 and 0 is this point. And 1 and 0. 1 and 0 is this point. Y-intercept is at 0 and 1. So it is not, it cannot be a straight line. 3 points are like this. So it is a non-linear graph. So try to make as a curve. Non-linear graph means try to make a curve. Okay, symmetric about the line x is equal to 0. Where is your line x is equal to 0? This is your line x is equal to 0 because x is 0 on y-axis. So how do we see symmetry? Symmetry means it becomes the mirror. Now look, graph, it should be symmetric about it. So it should look same right hand side of this symmetry and same left hand side. So look here, it is going down like this and going down here. So it is become symmetric and it is continuous also. Continuous means you will draw line continuously. So it is positive for all values between -1 and 1. Look, -1 it was up to 1 it was up, and now it has become down after x is greater than. Negative for all values. So negative means I will put it down for all values x less than 1. So if I'll take -2 more down, -3 it will go more down because it is negative. If x is greater than 1, again it is negative. So what you will see? Negative means it will be down. Okay, where is it down? After x greater than 1 and x less than 1, it will be down. Between x minus 1 and 1, what is the nature of your graph? What is the nature of your graph? Positive, because it is positive here. It is up here. Up between minus 1 and 1. It is up between minus 1 and 1. So it is positive for all values. This. Now, we have done this, and increasing for all values of x less than 0. Increasing for all values of x less than increasing for all values of x less than 0. So my graph is increasing means negatives, it's going up, up to here. Okay, up to here. It's because if more I will do like this, so it's going up, so increasing, and it is decreasing for all values less than greater than 0. So greater than 0 is coming down, decreasing graph always. Extrema, maximum, the value of graph is maximum here. So maximum here, what is this point? 0 and 1, this is the maximum value. Now look at the end behavior. If x is going to positive infinity, what is happening to fx? Is your fx going up, my dear children? No, it is coming down, means minus infinity. If I'll see here, x is going to negative infinity, left hand side, what is happening to fx? Fx is also going down, means minus infinity. It is going minus infinity. Is it clear? So this is your end behavior of your this graph. So we have done it, and behavior of this graph is this. So let us do one more question, and that will be better for us. Question number 6, only 2 are enough for you to understand the concept. Let us do. X intercept is minus 3 and 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So it is minus 3 and 0. And 2 and 0, 1 and 2, 2 and 0 are, these are my two x-intercepts. Y-intercept is 0 and minus 4. 0 and minus 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So this is my 0 and negative 4. It is a non-linear. So most probability it will be like this. Okay. Let us see. Next point, it is positive for all values x less than negative 3. So if I'll take x less than negative 3, means negative 4, negative 5, so it is positive, means it will go up. Okay. And x greater than 2, if I'll take 3, 4, 5, so my graph is positive, so I will go up. Negative for values minus 3 to 3. So this is negative 3, this is 2. So my graph is negative here below the x-axis. Negative means below the x-axis. Below the x-axis, where is your graph? Below the x-axis, it is between these 2 points. It is between these 2 points. My graph is below the x-axis. And positive means my graph is above the x-axis. Where? Above the x-axis when my values are greater than, less than minus 3 or greater than minus 2. My graph is going up. Is it okay? Now increasing for all values greater than 0, because from here the graph is going up. So increasing means from here. Increasing means from here. From x is 0 here, it is going up, increasing. Okay. And it is decreasing. Decreasing means coming down. So where is it decreasing? It is decreasing for all values less than 0. Extrema means either maximum value or minimum value. Here the value is minimum. When your graph are like this, parabola is like this is maximum value. Okay, if your parabola is like this, it will become your minimum value. Take care of this thing. So minimum value is at, this is 0 and minus 4. This is the minimum value. And behavior. Now you will see the end behavior. And behavior means when my x is going to infinity, x is going to positive infinity. So where is y going? y is going to fx or y is going to positive infinity. X is going to infinity, fx is also going to positive infinity. If x is going to negative infinity, more this side. But what is happening to fx? Fx is again going up to positive infinity. It is going to positive infinity. So this is your question number 5 and 6. I hope you understood it. So girls, you do it and